Likeable Forms Twilio SMS extension tutorial. So today we're just going to show you how to set up your Twilio extension. To get started, you want to add your Likeable Forms license key. You also need a few things from Twilio. You'll need your account SID and auth token, and as well as your Twilio phone number. Just for license verification, you'll need your SID and auth token. If you don't have these, be sure to check out our website for documentation on how to obtain them. Once you do have these added, go ahead and hit verify license key. And if everything checks out, we can go ahead and move on to your settings. So the first things first is your Twilio phone number. They provide this to you the second you log into your Twilio account, and also when you create an account if it's your first time. Be sure to add the full Twilio phone number here. Moving on to the to phone number, this is actually going to be the phone number we're going to send the SMS to. And also, if you want to add an image to your SMS and actually convert it into MMS, which is multimedia, you can also add a file upload field. And then in the body message, we can add some static content and also couple it with some dynamic content once we add some fields to our form. Let's go ahead and add a few fields. We'll add a phone number field, and we'll go ahead and add a file upload field so that we can include an image with the SMS. So we'll go ahead and plug in phone, and then a media photo image that's going to only populate file upload fields in the drop down. And then in here, just for the demo purposes, we'll say demo message, and then we'll include their phone number. The last step here is enable messaging feedback API. So basically, this just shares the delivery status with Twilio, and it's completely optional. It's basically just helps Twilio optimize their own network of servers. So purely optional. We don't mind, so we're just going ahead and selecting yes. That's it.